And we have the seats in, guys. I want you to take a look at how beautiful this interior looks. There you have it. Welcome, 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 welcome. And we have the car of the day. Guys, this is a 2020 Dodge Charger. This particular kit came fit into the 2015 to 2023 on the GT, the Police, the Scat Pack, the RT, the Hellcat, and the SXT. And guys, this one is a black wrap, and it has Barracuda, which is this perforation in a square right here, and they also have the wings in carbon fiber material, which is beautiful, and it has a contrast stitch. Yeah, this is what we got, guys, and I know it looks like crap, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this transformation is gonna be. And guys, you can upgrade this system with the cooling and heating degrees. 3 levels of cooling, 3 levels of heating. These cars, some of them come equipped with this system. If you don't have it, you want to get it, this is how, guys. But because this is our top of the line product, if you are in a budget, it's not enough for you, it's too much for you, that's what I'm trying to say. You can get at least your heater, guys, because you don't want to be freezing cold on the winter. All right, and guys, we make this not just for the Dodge Challenger or the Charger. It's virtually available for any vehicle that you own. We make this to order. It's precision cut, and it doesn't matter what car you have. The only challenge, guys, if it's not in the catalog, it has an additional cost. Please inquire about that. And let's take a look at the toy, guys. This is the beautiful 2020 Charger. Beautiful car. But this is what we're talking about, guys. It has cloth, stinky and comfortable cloth seats, guys. That's why it's here. It needs an upgrade for sure. And these cars comes in different configurations for the seats. We need to check which seats do you have, guys, because the Scat Pack, the Hellcat, all these versions are different. Some has a solid backs like this one, some other ones have soft. And again, guys, horrible stain, difficult to clean clothes. That's why nobody likes them. Everybody wants them out of the car, and we can help you guys to do that with a fraction of the cost from the dealers. And you can beautify this in a way that the dealer cannot. So we have custom designs, guys. Look at that. You're gonna have to see this transformation, guys, because you want leather in your vehicle, guys. You want leather for sure. Go to LeatherTeck.com, buy upholstery technology, so you can order this in a factory match, a custom design. We have over 60 different colors and endless combinations. We have contrast stitching, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds. We have double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycombs, and many others. Exotics also, guys, materials like ostrich, alligator, sweat skin, you name it. You name it, we have them at LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com. Like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how to do your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com. because guys, we are demystifying the installation process. Is not that difficult. We make tutorials. We got you covered if you want to do this. If not, you can bring it to us, and if you cannot come to us, we refer you to the right guy so they can help you out with all this. So one way or another one, guys, if you really committed to get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats and want to get this into a luxurious, beautiful leather interior, then we can help you. Make an inquiry, put it in the comments. If you have a question, guys, I want to help you. And look forward for that video for the completion of this installation so you can see how beautiful this interior is gonna look. So it doesn't look like crap like that right now that you are seeing, but this is a challenge, guys. You will go to places and they will try to put this in your vehicle, and when they finish, they still looking like that, like crap. So don't settle for less, guys. Come talk to us, make an inquiry, get the consultation so we can help you to get exactly what you want. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Beautiful, beautiful Barracuda interior, guys. You want this in your car for sure. Get rid, guys, of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats. Get leather. Go to LeatherTeck.com, by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys. You can order this design. We have this virtually for any vehicle, guys. You can get your leather at low cost. Custom designs, over 60 different colors, endless combinations, guys. Contrast stitch, layers like in this car. Piping, special editions. We have quiltings, double hex, honeycomb, and many others. Exotic materials like ostrich, suede, you name them. We have them all at LeatherTeck.com, by emupholsterytechnology.com. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more beautiful transformations, techniques, and how to do the installations for your seats at LeatherTeck.com, by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys, because we are demystifying the installation process. Is not that difficult. And guys, I got you a bonus today, and it has to do with our special promotions and prices that we have at LeatherTeck.com. All you have to do is go there, LeatherTeck.com, and fill up the form, guys, so you can save, scan and save. Special prices and promotions, discounts only available for those in the list. And the reason why, guys, the prices, the discounts are so big, we cannot even publish them for legal reasons. So only those in that list are gonna get the benefits, because we have an agreement. You know how things goes. So we wanna put the link in the description. Like and subscribe, guys. And if this video was useful, ring the bell and put a comment. Let me know how can I help you to acquire your leather interior for virtually any vehicle, guys. And you can go to LeatherTeck.com and see the variety of options, combinations that are possible right there. You can select your car, make, year, make, and model, and see what's possible to do in your vehicle. LeatherTeck.com, by emupholstery technology, guys. Thank you for watching.